What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm right here with the homie Wayne Hunter from
Hunter's Mobile Detailing, man. If you don't know, now you know. Come on.
Yeah. And today, you're gonna hear his story of how he started car detailing business. And you're only, what, 9 months in the game?
Yep, 9 months in the game.
You're a newborn.
Still learning, still growing.
Hey, but you're making money, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We just did a car full the works. How much was it?
$493 in 3 hours and 30 minutes.
In 3 hours, bro.
Yeah.
There's worse ways of making money in 3 hours, man. I wouldn't know, bro. I wouldn't know. Anyways, stick around so you get the full story. So Wayne, what made you get started into the whole entrepreneur thing?
Well, it started with me quitting every job that I got.
Yeah, what are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Well, pretty much, I just didn't like the fact of people telling me what to do, waking me up when I'm sleeping, when I'm out, you know, enjoying my time with my family. Hey, we need you to come in. That was the biggest thing, was, you know, messing up my sleep schedule, and just, you know, when you're an entrepreneur, just doing the flexibility of doing what you want to do.
And now look, let's not throw no company under the bus, but what type of jobs did you have?
Okay, so I was doing truck driving, and I was working for Walgreens. I was working for companies doing 48 states, all over. I was driving all over, man, going away from my family for 3 weeks to months at a time, just grinding, man. Trying to come up with an objective to get out of that kind of lifestyle. But I was making good money doing truck driving.
But you were away from your family?
I was away from my family.
Because you're married with
Exactly.
3 kids?
Married with 3 kids,
And
yes,
three girls?
Yes, 3 girls, the FaceTime life, man.
Yeah.
FaceTiming, phone calls,
and,
you know.
And when did you decide, you know what, I gotta quit this?
You know what, after all the meltdowns and just wanting to start my own business, I just didn't know where to start. So I just started looking on YouTube. Whenever I would pull over in my big rig, I would pull over and watch YouTube videos. And I stumbled upon my man Brian LaRue's video, the quarter candy machines. And my mindset as an entrepreneur, you know what I mean? Well, at the time, would you say I was an entrepreneur at the time? I didn't start yet. Entrepreneur mindset.
They call it a one-entrepreneur.
Got you.
But go ahead, but you wanted to?
Right.
Let me ask you though, you made that jump into gumball machines.
Right.
But did you quit your job and then make the jump, or did you try balancing both? How did you do it?
Well, when I got home, I was already looking on Craigslist for people that had lots of candy machines. So I found this guy, and he told me that I could make a down payment. So we had a little thing going, and every time I would come home from off the road, I would place a couple machines, go back out, and I just kept bouncing back and forth, and then I got to a certain amount. And of course, like I said, I just quit my job because I didn't like working for people.
How many gumballs did you have
At the time?
before you quit?
Sheesh.
When you quit?
Not enough. I think I had like 10.
Yeah, but you chose to still quit.
I chose to quit. I chose to quit, and then I was doing like Uber at the same time. Uber, and I was placing machines. So as I'm dropping people off, you guys, I would have my nice dress outfit, hop out with my little portfolio, and I was presenting these candy machines as if, you know, I was gonna make a living on it. That was my mindset. Like, I would tell my wife, like, I got this, candy machines, everybody laughing at me. Family's like, what are you doing? You're married. You ain't had, I was homeless too. So can you imagine what I was going through at this time, you guys?
So everybody's telling you, hey, what are you doing? Why'd you quit a good job?
Right,
Because they thought you probably were making hella money. Which, how much were you making being a trucker?
Well, with truck driving, I was making $2,000 to $3,000 a week.
What?
I was making a lot of money.
You quit that?
I wasn't happy, man. I was not happy. So
hey, that's one thing I want to let people know, that we don't become entrepreneurs for the money. We become entrepreneurs for the freedom.
Exactly.
Because look, now, even though, you know, you let that go, you have more time for your family, and you have more time to do what you want to do with your life.
Exactly.
But you grew the vending machine, the candy machine business, but then you sold it, right?
Right. So I grew it to about 50 candy machine locations, and then I also moved it up to full line. So I was able to go back into these locations and place bigger machines, and I just kept doing the same thing. So I got about 20 full line locations and the candy machines I had going. So then once I got overwhelmed, I didn't have enough help. I was growing so fast. And I started selling them. I got stressed all over the place. It wasn't passive anymore, bro.
Yeah, because people think that, hey, candy machines, vending machines are passive. It's work, bro.
There's a lot of
you got
work.
people, what, calling you up saying, hey, come fix this. My bag of chips got stuck.
Exactly.
All right, man. So you wanted to sell your candy machines, and you did, just because you mentioned you were stressing out, you didn't have a lot of free time.
Right, I was all over the place like a chicken with his head cut off, you guys. Here, there, phone calls here, and it just became like a drag, and I was stressed, I couldn't think. I was having breakdowns, and I could not find anybody to help me. Family, I was throwing money to people.
What did you need help on?
Filling the locations, I needed help moving the machines. I was doing all this stuff myself, man. Every now and then, you know, my wife would get out there. If you guys haven't already, check out my YouTube channel, Hunter's Vending. I was having my wife help me, friends every now and then would come out and help me move the machines and just repairs.
Yep.
You know what I mean? This was constant all day, every day. I had to cut my phone off.
So you sold it. What made you get into car detailing?
Okay, so I sold it, I believe I made about $20,000 off of everything that I sold. And as I'm selling it, I'm looking for something else to invest in. And I ran across my man Lamont. Shout out to my man Lamont. Best look mobile detailing, man. You're a blessing, brother. So he reached out to me about vending. So we're just shooting stuff back and forth. I'm asking him stuff about detailing. He's asking me stuff about vending. And the next day I went out. I was like, brother, I'm not playing. He called me and I was like, hey, actually I FaceTimed him. I said, I'm here now. I need the stuff. What do I need? So he's literally walking me through step by step. Grab this, grab that, you need this. And I'm buying it, literally. Bam, bam, bam. And I was set up mobile detailing within a week, you guys. And I went all in.
Yep. I saw, man, you got the van, you got the equipment. How do you feel about it?
It blew up. All glory to God, you guys. I put God first, and all things, it falls into place, you guys. It just blew up. I reached out, I posted on Instagram, I reached my family, let everybody know, and it just wildfire from there. Once one detail went, I was already doing YouTube, so I was already promoting that on YouTube, and it bro, wildfire.
Hey man, but you have 5-star reviews, like 140, 170?
Like 110, 100, I believe, about.
Over 100.
Yes,
so
sir.
You do good work.
Yes, sir.
You also advertise a lot. And honestly, we made more videos about your best advertisement tips, also how much you charge for a job. So there you go. That's what made them start car detailing business. Hey, bro, it takes a lot of balls to do that, man. But look, it's paying off now.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you telling people to quit their jobs?
Hey. That was, hey, you hit me on the spot with that one.
I just thought about it. Huh? You tell people to quit their jobs?
Hold on. If you believe in yourself, man, if you going in with any type of doubt, any type of worrying, you guys, when I believe in myself, I don't let nothing distract me from that. I'm all in. When I started this business right here, I went all in. The wrap, the sign, all the equipment. Like I literally bought all this stuff because I believed in myself. I posted myself on Yelp, on Instagram, on Facebook, called people, Google, business. I promoted myself on everything because I believe in myself, man.
Hey, so you gotta figure out what type of person you are. Me, I like starting slow, you know, have the day job and grow the side hustle until it becomes your main hustle. He says, hey, I went all in, whatever works for you. Now, of course, where can people get more information about you, the car detailing business?
You could get more information from me on YouTube. I'm on YouTube, Hunter's Mobile Detailing. You can find me at Hunter's Vending on YouTube. You can find me on Google, Hunter's Mobile Detailing. If you need a detail, I'm here in the Sacramento, California area. Tap in with me. We come to you, so there's no excuse, you guys. You get to chill and relax.
There you go. You're taking out the girlfriend. Hey, get your car clean, all right?
Come on.
But if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.
Let's go.